Welcome to Half Moon Cay. We're here. Look at this water. Look at the cruise ship behind us. It's crowded right now, but I'm going to show you some secret places to go where you want to avoid the crowds. Make sure you're liking and subscribing. This is paradise. And stop the rambling, Todd, and let's just get into this.
Honey, when we're older, you and I will love all that will be. Looking back and seeing everything we've done in every piece.
Where are we at today?
Half Moon Cay
And where's that?
in the Bahamas.
We're having a blast. Make sure you're watching this whole video. All right, here we are. We're making our way over to Half Moon Cay on these tenders. This is a tender stop. Make sure you're getting off that boat early as you can because these things will run all day. And if you're last, you're gonna have a tough time finding a chair. See you later, Venezia. This is what you wanna see when you're just getting here. I wish I could stay here forever. I just might. And this is what my wife does in Half Moon Cay. Key, right? Fort San Salvador. All right, when you get off the cruise ship, this is what welcomes you. That's the entrance. And you got all these like straw market shops. You got this guy over here playing some music. Oh yeah, this is what you want to see in the Bahamas. And over here is the straw market area. Last minute souvenirs, you want to get anything, stop on over here. I see shirts, bags. I'm sure my wife will be over here a little bit later. There's another gift store. So again, you want souvenirs, it's right off of the cruise ship. Even if you're not going to the beach, come in here and spend a little money. All right, here's a cool secret I don't remember seeing. Right from that entrance, there's this first aid place. But if you want a view, take these steps up for an island view, for a lookout. And you're gonna see where you might wanna go for the day. Over there's that pirate ship, overlook of the port area. And you walk through the entrance, you'll see this too. It's the information hut. You can get information of when the barbecue is, when the last tender is, or anything else you want to ask questions about. Half Moon Cay Resort Store, but you can walk up the beach if you want to get your seat, or just take the path. They got clearly marked paths here. This is the tourist part. You want to walk up a little ways from all this because it'll just get crowded a little later. Oh, do you remember that? The lobster shack? But we're just going to keep taking this path up. We want to be close to where the lunch is, and then we'll grab a seat up this way. All right, this is what Half Moon Cay is about. Look at the beach. I see something up here I do not remember seeing the last time, so we're going to check that out. But here is the pirate ship bar. Here's the bar. Inside that pirate ship, get a souvenir cup like these guys are making. And you can see down there, that's where the cruise port comes in. Again, this is a tender stop. Your boat's gonna dock right off the coast. And then you just walk up to the beach. Let's see what we can find today that's new here. Oh, looks like they got some catamarans to rent, and stand-up boards, and kayaks, and whatever these things are called. He's getting them all in there. Look at this guy. There you go. He's going in the water. That's one way to do it. Just push you in. There goes another one setting sail with the cruise ship behind it. There he goes. Let's just splash down. There's some of the bungalows you can rent. They're 2-story. I don't know if that's like 2 units, but they got their own chairs out front. I know one thing though. They're too salty for my budget. All right, these little trampolines, like I said, they're new, but it says Picnic Bana. It looks like you just could go out there and lounge on that thing all day. Here's one of the cabanas. You can see the size of them, but they got a bunch of them to rent. And these cabanas are beautifully colored. Look at the fellas up there on top of it, number 7. How you guys doing up there today? And in case you're wondering, you can hear it here. They got AC. I love Half Moon Cay, man. It's just a beautiful stop for Carnival Cruise Lines. And you come up where those cabanas are. There's restrooms up here. Everything is fairly well marked on this island. Here's an island essential store. If you forgot anything, you can pick it up in Half Moon Cay. Blankets, shirts, suntan lotion. Now, right beside the island essentials, right here is where they serve the buffet food. It's included. If you're sailing into Half Moon Cay, all your food is included. And they got plenty of sitting areas here. And right in the middle, there is a bar. Oh man, they're smoking something up because I smell it right now. That guy's making some burgers back there. He's got the fire going. Oh, and there's another one up here. But you see all the salads they got, all kinds of stuff. And again, this is all included. Obviously, the only thing is not included is bar drink. And you got your regular drink. Same thing, it's on a cruise ship. Iced tea, lemonade, and water included. All right, here's the island barbecue. A lot of this stuff you'll see on this ship, but there's desserts. There you got coleslaw, potatoes, salad, and over here is where they're making the burgers. All right, here they got mac and cheese, green beans, burgers, hot dogs, standard lunch menu. This is directly across from the buffet, the food court. You gotta have a view like this in Half Moon Cay. This must be where the old guys sit, under this canopy with this view. One of my favorite places to sit to people watch. I'm not sure this is new because I don't remember it the last time, but they got a playground. And again, it's very close to the food court area. Couple things for the kids to climb around on. I don't know why they'd be over here. I'd be in the water. There's these signs all over to get around here, but here is the Lobster Shack. Last time I was here, I closed this place down because of the view. We sat here and we just waited for that horn to beep to get back to the ship. This here's the bar next to the Lobster Shack. Oh my gosh. Get me something to drink. I'll stay here all day. There's the Trinket and Treasures Half Moon Cay, another gift store on the island. I love the beach entrances they got here because it's so close to the ocean. And one thing about this beach is very calm. You could float here all day and not get knocked over by any waves. And this is where the last call is. This is the Rum Runners bar. This is the last bar before you get back on this ship. But not yet. I still got a lot of stuff to do and I still haven't been in that water. Now, if you see that back to the ship sign and you go straight across from it, this is another area, a beach area. A lot of the people go to the right. If you go to the left, it wasn't as crowded, but it's pretty middle of the day right now. So let's just walk out and see. Here they got lockers. And you see that bungalow out there? I think they said that will hold like 20 or 25 people, and they got like a bar all day. All right, and I always love this because it's a church right on the beach. And if you walk straight through here, you can see the ocean on the other side. I just love it. Stop and say a few prayers today for everybody's safety. Now, a little hint. The farther you go up this beach, the less crowded it's gonna be. But I'm gonna take you to one of my favorite spots on this island, and it's right up here. Now, just an FYI, you know I like the off-beaten path, but the farther you work your way up here, there is no lifeguard on duty. If you want privacy, you gotta come up here. And there's something special. I can't wait to show you when we get up there. This is why you come to the Bahamas for sure, the water. So here is one of my secrets. I had it in one of my other Half Moon Cay videos, so make sure you're checking out both of them. But man, you keep walking up here, you got this whole island to yourself practically. This is why I love to come up here, because of the seclusion, the peacefulness. All you hear is the water coming in, and just relax. And don't worry, you walk up here, there's chairs spotted all the way throughout here. I guarantee you these people up here in the trees are experienced cruisers. They want to get away. Now, if you booked an excursion up here, is the stables. I think they got transportation up here, so you don't have to walk this if you don't want to. You know we're getting close to the horses when you see horseshoe prints in the sand. This sign might say it all. No brainer, right? So when you do the horseback riding and you take the transportation up here, this is what you see. They got lockers here to lock your stuff up. They provide all the equipment, helmet. So I want to see how far I can go up here today. Why not? One thing I love about this, and I hope you can see it on this camera as you're walking up through here, the sand looks like it's pink. Remember Bermuda? The pink sand beaches there. It kind of really looks a lot like that up here. All right, you can see we're almost to the end up here. These people, I don't know how they got up here so fast. We were one of the first ones off the ship. If you make it to this point, I want you to upload a picture on this rock right here, and I'll put it on my Instagram. Upload it on Instagram and we'll make it public for you. You can really see the pink in this water now. But we're at the end of Half Moon Cay. We walked up here, I don't know, I should look on my phone. I'm guessing it's a mile and a half. It's a little bit of a hike, so you're gonna need a little time. Probably took me about 20 minutes. And this is how Half Moon Cay got its name. It's half moon shaped, and you can really see it from the end point up here. Look here, the horses came all the way up the beach. What a great tour. Horseback riding. Something you gotta try. I'll tell you one thing, are they healthy horses or what? They take care of them here. And they kind of take you through the forest a little bit besides the ocean. What an experience this is. You can see them over there. They're letting you off your horse, or if you want a picture, they get you off your horses. The horses know where to go. They're heading for that shade. Because it's a little hot today. That's how you get on them right there. Those steps. Here you can see the horses are lining up to go out in the water. This is unbelievable and spectacular. I see everybody got their bathing suits on. They gave them a little bit of a break before they take them out in this water park. 1 through, I don't know, it seemed like maybe 20 horses here today. All right, they're about to go into the water. Again, this is something you don't want to miss. And if you get the opportunity, get on one of these, because it is an experience. There they go. Let's just walk down and check this out. Beautiful, right? The ship behind it. It is just crazy cool. I tell you, if you're a photographer or a vlogger, there's plenty of photo opportunities here in Half Moon Cay, just like this one. They are getting cooled down now. They're just moving in that water pretty darn fast. I can't believe it. They are beautiful. You gotta do this. That is so cool, man. Welcome back, everybody. I will tell you one thing about Half Moon Cay. It is probably, we've been to hundreds of beaches, but I tell you, you walk all the way up to the end, and it is one of the most spectacular beaches in the world. Now, these people got the idea. You come up to where this tree line starts, right along here, and you walk up the coast. There's chairs and shade back in. Just carry a chair down if you want. So now we're back into the tourist area of Half Moon Cay. There's some people chilling on one of those party banners. But look, it's getting busy now. This place is crazy. And there's only one shipping port. I think I've seen two here before. All right, I hope you like this tour of Half Moon Cay. It's time to wrap it up and get in that water because I'm hot. Let's just find my wife along here and get out there. Oh, I see her. Up here she is. I'm finally in the water. There's something you gotta see. You gotta go to the pirate ship because all these people out in the water are getting drinks from the pirate ship and coming out into the ocean. Here comes some adventurous kayakers in, and they will take your picture on the beach if you want it. They're all over this beach snapping your picture, and you can get the pictures on your cruise ship. Look at this blow-up raft that we take on every single cruise. You can sit on it like a chair. You can lay down on it. It's got multi-purpose, right, honey?
Right.
All right, this is how we finish our day in Half Moon Cay. We come to this same place. I forget the name of it, but you'll see this view right here of the cruise ship and the Half Moon shaped key. It's Half Moon Cay. Everybody corrects us on that. Did you have a fantastic day?
As always.
As always, until next time, like and subscribe and have a great day. See ya. All right, everybody just run and get back to the ship.
Honey, when we're older, you and I will love all that will be. Looking back and seeing everything we've done.